Part 3, continued. My throat started to feeling like how it feels after stuffing down 10 buffalo wings in 30 minutes. I'm getting lightheaded, winded, and the heat isn't making it any better. I think, let me just rest my head in the break room for a bit, drink some more water, and get back to business. So, I'm sitting there chugging water and waiting for the nausea and burning to subside. Then, the cough starts kicking in. It's super dry and I have asthma. I'm already winded, and yet I managed to muster up the strength I had to get the cough out. But then, a feeling of all-encompassing, overpowering nausea hits me. That type of nausea that isn't gradual.